Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. Today here at DaringBeefcake I have this mini Cooper r56 2009. I'm just going to be changing the front wiper blades, and the wiper blades I have here are this Bosch Super Plus SP1919S. So they are 19-inch, both of them, so they are the same size, only this one here has that little sort of deflector and like a spoiler, and that is going to go on the driver's side. So here in the UK the driver's side is on the right hand side. So to take these old wiper blades out, you just swing the arm out, swing this as well, and then there should be something like a little clip down here. Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't, but if you sort of press on the clip and pull this back, or like I said, sometimes there isn't a clip, so in this case I just pulled that back and it sort of came out without having to press any clips as such. And be very careful with this arm. If this swings back to the windscreen, it will crack, and I know that from experience, unfortunately. So now we have the new one into there, and that is going to hook into position. So there, and that is it. So it's a fairly simple one to do, and it will be the exact same procedure for the other side, which we can do if need be. But basically pull that up, swing that back, and then push this back like so. And again, be careful with this arm, doesn't swing back into the windscreen. Get your new blade ready. And hook it back in there. And that is that. So, having done that, hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. So thank you for watching.